Good morning. Dal ra. Just get hot. Dal ra. Hello guys, it's Mr. Bill. I'm on my way to visit the Frozen Valley. And if you're wondering why I'm walking on foot, it's because this is my native land. I'm from this place, and it's nearby my house. So yeah, that's pretty cool. We are about to reach our destination, so let's move a bit faster. Can you see this? Can you see this? Everything is frozen. Let's. Hello guys, the sun is about to rise, so let's record the rising of the sun. And here's a frozen bamboo. And here's a frozen, what is this? Sweater, frozen sweater. This is a frozen fruity, ano? Juice wala. Frozen Orals, frozen Uncle Chips, frozen lassi. And now we have another frozen lychee. Hello guys, it's Mr. Bill, and today let's do something practical. You know, the land is very beautiful. It's a God's gift nature, but we the human, we are not able to take care. We are not able to take care of this God's nature gift properly. We are not able to maintain. We are not able to manage it. So the land, the beauty is becoming uglier, should say. So let's clean it up today. This is the dustbin. You should not throw bottles here and there. You should throw here. This is the right place to throw dustbin. Right way. This is the right place to throw your waste materials. So now the place is very clean. You can do whatever you want. You can sing and you can dance. Woo! Yeah, yeah, check it out. Woo! This is the national animal of this land. Hello guys, this is jungle apple trees. This is organic. This is apple. Not the apple you eat, but the wild apple, jungle apple. This is the most delicious apple. This you don't need to wash. You just have to clean it. Don't worry about washing because this is pure organic. I'm sorry, but I have to do this. It is tasty.